Hey guys, today we're going to see how to connect Google Sheets with Gmail using Integrately, so you can keep everyone updated automatically without any manual work. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. First, select Google Sheets as your trigger application, and then choose Gmail as the action application. If you don't find a ready-made automation that matches your needs, you can easily create one by choosing a trigger like a new spreadsheet row and an action such as sending an email. For this tutorial, let's activate a pre-built automation for faster setup. You'll then be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Next, sign in and authorize the connection to your Gmail account. Now configure your automation by mapping data from your spreadsheet to the email fields, such as the recipient's address and the subject line. After mapping the fields, test the automation to make sure everything works correctly. Once the test is successful, turn on your automation to make it live. And that's it. We just learned how to connect Google Sheets with Gmail using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.